What's going on, everyone? It's Max with Trades back with another video. Today I'll be going over how I made $63 trading the Asia session today. Took a pretty clean short right here, as you can see. And obviously I haven't been posting for a while now. It's been a couple of weeks since I posted my last video. And that's mainly due to some personal things, and I want to actually get into that later. So before we actually get into my trade and how I've been trading over the last 2 weeks, I'll show you guys the profit and loss on this account we had. I think I've showed this before. We're at the $1,000 mark, so it's really clean. Like, we broke 1,000, so we started with 500 and we 100% our money in about a month and a half, so that's pretty good. But before we get into the actual trade and how I've been trading, I want to talk about the mental side of trading, and how I've been doing as a throughout this journey, and how I've been doing over the last couple of months, because I feel like it's important to reflect on my mental being, just to keep me well and to clear up my mind. So I'll be honest, like the last 6 months have been really hard for me. It's been like a struggle, and that's mainly due to the kind of pattern that happens with me is like, no matter what I'm doing, like whether it be school or like any type of competition or this trading stuff or whatever, like building my agency, like I feel like I put in lots of work. Like I truly do think I put in lots of work, lots of effort in anything I do, anything and everything I do. I willingly, like I don't slack. I optimize all my work I'm trying to do. I try to be as efficient as possible, and then I almost never get the results I want. And what makes me angry is I see other people like who put in much less effort than me, but still end up doing a lot better than me, and that just makes me it just make me sad. It just makes me angry. It's like it seems unfair to me, and it doesn't make sense to me, and that's been happening over the last couple of months, like whether it be school or this trading stuff. Like I'm putting in lots of work. Like there's lots, like it's just I'm putting doing a lot of stuff, and I never seem to get the result I want, which makes me angry. And you know like I don't want to get too much of my feel. Like I'm not trying to complain or like bitch or anything. I just want to like clear my mind. But it's been really hard for me because like I feel like I'm just alone, like on this journey. Like it's getting tough. It's getting tough because I feel like it's repeating for me. Like every week it's the same thing. Like I try so hard, and in the end it doesn't even matter. That's what the song says, right? But yeah, like that's how I've been feeling the last couple of months, and it's really a struggle. And the other thing that makes me so mad is like I know I'm a great trader, like I'm profitable. I'll show you this account. Like I'm profitable on this account. It's been a month and a half trading paper. I'm profitable with this account. I'm profitable. I've passed the fund. Like I know I'm a great trader, but even then, even now, since I'm underage, I'm not like I'm circumstances that are out of my control prevent me from trading and making money. It's not even about the money. Like for me, it's not even about the money I'm making. It's about proving myself to everyone else. Like proving to myself and to everyone else that I can do something. Like I can do something properly. I can, whatever. Like not even I can say I could win something. I can achieve something great, and this is what I want to achieve. And I'm good at this stuff. Like you can see, like I clean trade. I haven't lost a trade on this account in 2 weeks. I haven't lost. I think I've gone drawdown maybe like this one and one other trade. I've gone to drawdown for one and this trade and another trade in the past. I think it was like last week. 2 trades in the last 2 weeks I've been in drawdown. Like like that's crazy. Like I'm nasty. Like I'm not even like trying to like boast or like flex. I'm just saying I know I'm a good trader, and it's annoying that I can't express that and make like I know I can make substantial amounts of money, but it's not in my control. Like I know I can, but I just can't because of personal things in my life, and that makes me really angry. Paired with the fact that with school and stuff or like other competitions and like things like that, I'm trying my hardest. I spend more time doing that than way more time than that doing trading, but like it just I never get the results I want, and it's just starting to like pile up, and I just feel this like lots of stress. Feel like isolated. No, I don't think anyone else understands what I'm going through, and I don't really want to. I guess it's on me. Like I just keep to myself, and I'm not blaming it. I'm not blaming anyone. I'm not saying anything like that. I'm not like trying to get too much of my feelings, I'm not trying to like bitch or complain. That's just the way I'm thinking. I just want to clear my mind. But yeah, I just feel like it's hard. Like every day, it's getting harder to operate and try to be as efficient or try to work as hard as I worked the last day, because it doesn't really give me, like I don't really get what I want. But in the end, like, I know that it's all gonna work out. I do truly do believe. I know it's all gonna work out. I know this is like a test to, you know, when I'm. It's like just like a test or it's like a challenge, but I know it's all gonna work out. And yeah, like, things might not be going my way now, but I know a million other people that have worse than me. I know like people. Like I definitely know people are struggling through much much worse. So I can't really sit down and complain about it like I kind of am now. I have to get back on my shit. I have to, and there's nothing really else I can do than just keep practicing, keep honing my skill until you know, I'm free of those circumstances and I can start chasing this. Like I back tested 16 hours last month, so like half an hour approximately every day on FX replays. That was March. This month I have not, like, it's been first week of this month I have not really been back testing at all. Like I think I've maybe done 2 hours, and that's mainly because I've been swamped with school and stuff. But yeah, like there's nothing really else I can do. I can't really, change my life. I mean, no, like not I can change like my, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Like I can't really change anything like too drastic. All I can do is just keep getting better, keep practicing, and keep improving. So I mean, it's kind of repetitive, but like you know what I mean. So overall, yeah, I just been struggling the last couple of months, and I'm not really, like, it's more like annoying. I'm not really sad, like, and it's just like it's kind of like I just think of like life being unfair, but then I think of like the billions of other people that have it much worse than I do, and I'm just grateful in the end. But yeah, it just seems like I don't know, it's just tough. It's just tough, and at the end of the day, it was never gonna be easy. Like I mean, I'm saying that like I'm just saying like I know the path I took is gonna be difficult, but like I'm seeing like other people do less than I am and still succeeding, and that's what really like nags at me. Like people are doing like they don't even try, they don't even like work, or they don't even like fail. They just succeed, and I wonder, like I think to myself, why can't I do that? And I think that's what motivates me the most for this training stuff. Like, why did I start training? Why did I start? Why did I go through everything, and why did I put myself through these struggles and these trials and tribulations? And I feel like it just comes down to the fact that I want to prove to not only myself but to everyone else that I can do something and I can achieve something. And this is what I want to achieve. This is what I want to prove to everyone else I can do. Because everyone said I couldn't do it. Everyone said I would pass my. Everyone said I wouldn't be profitable. Everyone said this wouldn't work out, but it's working out now, and it sucks that no one can see that, and it sucks that I can't really do anything with it because personal things. But anyway, that's enough bitching. Like, there's nothing else I can do. Like, but at least one good thing is I'm still nasty at trading. Like, I'm fucking disgusting. Look at this chart. So basically, let's get enough of that bullshit. But let's get down to the how I took this trade. So this trade is a short on Asia, revolving around a 4-hour unfilled bullish FEG and a 30-minute unfilled bullish FEG. So what do we know about unfilled FEGs or unfilled value gaps? That price attracts them to fill that imbalance. So that's why I was looking for shorts on the day. So going down to the 15-minute, I saw us kind of getting rejecting off this 15-minute for value gap on Nasdaq and on S&P. So I'll show you guys S&P rejecting off this 15-minute for value gap. We're also trading within a 30-minute for value gap at the time of my short. So couple high time frame bears confluences, and on the 5-minute. So here we go. And so again, I'm looking for shorts, preferably down to this 30-minute FEG, right? But obviously, like looking at my entry right over here, I think a good target would be this swing low over here, which is what I targeted. And like normally when I say like I have like these unfilled FEGs and these are my targets for the day, I don't really mean they're my like targets. You know what I mean? Like they're not I'm not putting my take profit at those levels. It's more so I'm saying this is my range. This is my bias range. Like if you guys watched my Asia video where I talked about strategy, I talked about bias range, and I think like this is where I think price is gonna trade from here to here, or like the lowest point price is gonna go is at this 4-hour unfilled FEGs. That's the way I'm thinking. So I do think it's like when I talk about high time frame confluences and high time frame unfilled gaps, I'm talking about more like am I going bullish or bearish? I'm kind of identifying my daily buys subconsciously, and that's why I was looking for shorts today, just because we had two major unfilled FEGs on the downside. And we might be asking, okay, if those are your targets, why are you not putting your take profits at these levels? And then I kind of like, if someone asks that, I'm just saying, okay, well, this is not really a take profit level for me. This is more like prices attractive. So think of like a magnet. Like I think of it as a magnet. So this FEG, these FEGs, or it's gonna work for any like high time frame confluence, right? If you have a 4-hour like pool of liquidity like we have here, like something like this. If you have a 4-hour like FEG or 4-hour order block, something like that, that can act as a magnet. Think of it as a magnet. It doesn't have to be strong where it connects. It can just be as like an orbit. Like how Earth like pulls the moon and shit, or whatever. The sun pulls the planets. Like not orbit. Like you know what I mean? They just have the gravitational pull. Think of it as like a magnet. It's like like it's just attracting price to it. It's not like gluing price. It's not like slamming it into it. It's just attracting it. It's like price is attracted there. That's the way I think of it. So I'm just thinking to myself, I'm not trying to catch the whole move. I'm not trying to like see where. I'm not trying to enter where it starts getting attracted and exit where the magnet is where the price is touching the magnet. If that makes sense. I'm just thinking to myself, I just want to catch a small move, right? So that's what I think to myself. So anyway, so after I found the unfilled gaps downside, I'm like, okay, we're looking for shorts today, and I kind of just went through explaining why did I think that. And on the 5-minute, we inverse this bullish FEG, which I marked out here. Jeez, I'm tired as shit. But anyway, we inverse this 5-minute FEG, and we went up and started retesting this FEG over here. So boom, then after inversing the 5 minutes, like my confirmation, like yeah, boom, we're looking for shorts. So I look for a continuation in the downside. So again, the continuation model. This is a continuation model. 1 minute FEG, bearish over here. So we come up. I didn't enter at. Oh, let me just mark out the gap. I can't lie. Let me just, fuck off. I didn't mark out the gap. Here, it's 1 minute bearish. 1 minute bearish FEG. It's a big boy. So right here, we entered on this. So basically what happened was, I swear, like, I was gonna enter up here because like that was my original plan, because obviously I'm just retesting off the 1 minute FEG, but I low-key was like doing like schoolwork on my monitor and this on the side. I didn't put an alert, so we like went up and immediately went down. So I didn't enter like down here. I entered on this like where did I enter? Yeah, I entered on this like retest back up. So like it wasn't the best entry, but it was still like better than entering all the way down here. So I entered on the retest back up, and we were in choppy price action for a little bit. But as soon as we came down and took out this internal low, like I already preset this, but I put it right here. But at this internal low, I knew it was going to break even, so it took a while, just edging it a little bit. Hit the internal low, wait for the close below, and just went break even, and then right after hitting that low, we just smashed take profit. So it's a clean short. We were in it for about 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, we made the $63. It's like just basically my classic continuation. We don't really see the 5-minute inversion that often, like, because normally price action is pretty shit. And it was pretty shit. Like, it was lucky that we got a 5-minute inversion of a gap, and like it's lucky that we had a 5-minute fair value gap in the first place that got unfilled. Because if you see on Asia, like, these 5-minute gaps are ugly, dude. Like, there's like, compare this to New York, and like you'll see the difference. You'll see what I'm talking about. But like, it was good that we look at this price action, right? Look at that shit. This is ass, bro. Like, and I was trading in this price action. Like, it's crazy. Like, I remember like 6 months ago, like trading Asia would be like, oh, why would you trade Asia? It's like this shitty. It's so bad. Like, its price action is horrible. Like, you can't predict it. But like, it took me like 2 months to learn, which I mean, that's probably just because I traded in New York for so long, and I'm whatever. But yeah, anyway, clean trade. I know I talked about some different stuff at the beginning of the video, but like I just wanted to say that to clear my mind. It wasn't really like any helpful things. I guess it was just kind of me reflecting on myself and how I can improve in the future. So what I'm gonna do is I promise I'm gonna try my best to start posting consistently, just to help myself and whoever's watching to learn, right? And then I'll probably start trading New York more. I backtested that like on the weekend, and my model still works. The reverse, like the one that got me funded, that exact model, I just tried that on the weekend again because it's been like a month or two since I've traded New York. It worked fine. So I'll start trading more in New York. I'll start getting more videos out and continue trading this Asia. But anyway, let me show you. I want to pull up my trash, bro. Anyway, let me go and show you guys my this account how it's been doing. So basically, we started with all the way down here with like right here, like, yeah, snow money. So you like these red trades, most of them are just like break even, but you can see $20 here, 7.39 to whatever. So we made, so these all these red trades you see here are just like, you can see they're like, you can pause and whatever. See, maybe like this one's a loss, but like it's 5 cents. These are all like break even trades or like commissions. You can see their commissions right here. Commission. These are short, whatever. But okay, I want to show you the last 2 weeks. So where did it start? So like I haven't lost a trade in the last 2 weeks. Okay, yeah, it starts here. So we made, yeah, so 40, 16, $61 profit, 74, 65, 67, 56, that's break even, 56, doesn't really count, 50, break even. Okay, here's my first loss, right? In the last 2 weeks, my first loss, and then $80, and then today's $63. So I did it, my fault. I only had one loss, but like last week's only one loss. We've made $470 in the last 2 weeks. The account balance I was looking at 1,055. So we've broken the 1,000 from 500. We got to 1,000 USD. So it's looking pretty good. I'll probably continue trading this until I get in the summer. I'll definitely hop on some evals and we'll run up. We'll try to get like 3 funded apexes, and then yeah, just print from there. But apart from that, it's a long video, but I feel like I got a lot of information out, and I hope you guys can learn from the trade I took. And yeah, I'll probably get hopefully another video tomorrow if I have to trade. But anyway, that's stuff for today. It's Max's Trades out.